Kia ora te whānau, going live again, and as the title suggests, tomorrow is the launch of my course. It's been a long time coming, it's been a really long time coming, probably too long a time coming, but it's finally here, it's ready to drop tomorrow, Tuesday night, 6 p.m. I'll be dropping a link on the Facebook page if you want to go over there and check it out, but I'll also be dropping another video here, and I'll have a link down in the comments and the description, either of the two, probably both of them, so you can get access to the course. Now, this course is really designed not like a lot of other courses out there. It's designed to really help you with two main things, which are the two main things that people struggle with the most. That is accountability to their language learning journey and commitment. People just fall off the bandwagon with commitment. So we really focus on those two things within the course. We also focus on trying to help people learn the minimum amount of things that they need to learn to get the maximum amount of results. And you've probably seen on some of the other videos I talk about this, and I think it's so important. It's a really efficient way to learn. The other thing we look at is we help people connect with their why. And what I mean by that is there seems to be this thing that happens when people start in courses and they start learning, they just jump straight into learning the content. So they'll jump into a Te Reo course and they'll just start learning how to say hello and goodbye and how to greet people, but there's a couple of things missing there that really inhibit people when they're learning. Now, the first one is that they don't have a connection to the why. So it's this model that looks at why, how, and what. And we're always saying we learn when we know what we're learning. We're in this Te Reo course, we're learning Te Reo. The how of how we're learning. You might be going to a face-to-face course, you might be doing something online, you might be reading in books, but a lot of people don't connect to why they're actually learning. And that's really important because it can be the one thing that you can really grasp hold of and anchor to when things become a bit hard, when you're starting to hit a few of those struggles, as everyone does in their language learning journeys. But if you've got a really strong why that keeps you connected and keeps you grounded to the journey, you've got a much lower chance of falling off the bandwagon. Now, the other thing a lot of courses don't deal with is actually the fear that people have around language learning, the fear of making a mistake, the fear of looking bad, the fear of offending someone, the fear of looking silly. So we go through some exercises on that as well, and really help people to break down those barriers around fears that are holding them back. And we go through these exercises, and there'll be a lot of fun, I guarantee it. And when you get past those fears, it's just like it opens up a whole new world for you. So and then on top of that, we're obviously learning Te Reo Māori, and we're going through different language structures and grammar and all that sort of stuff. But they're two of the really main things that we're going to start off with. So keep an eye out for a link tomorrow, a new video tomorrow afternoon. It will be 6 p.m. Australia time. It'll have a link. It'll have the link you can click on and go straight to the course, and we'll have all the information there about the course and a little spot down the bottom where you can get registered. So keep an eye out for that tomorrow, and we'll talk then.